We're walking out, and then we started this conversation. I think one of the main ideas that we're trying to encourage teachers and parents is to help kids see repeatable behaviors that lead to things like a growth mindset, or lead to things like grit or self-control. And so does that jive with sort of where your research is?
It's exactly about repeatable behaviors. You want the kids to say, I struggled, I stuck to it, I focused. You don't want them just to go around saying, I have a growth mindset. You want those behaviors that actually lead to the improvement.
The third attribute of a positive micro-moment is incorporating character behavior language. And this is an extension of the growth mindset research of Carol Dweck, Greg Walton, and David Yeager. Being in a growth mindset means focusing on effort, good strategies, and proactive help seeking as a means to growth and accomplishment. And as you heard in the last video, it's critical to help kids find repeatable strategies they can use in future situations. There's nothing wrong with saying, hey, that was gritty, or you just showed self-control. In fact, as teachers and parents, we say things like that all the time. The question we need to be asking ourselves is this: do our kids understand what they just did? And would they be able to do it again in a new situation? Do they genuinely own our feedback? By calling out the specific and repeatable behaviors, we clarify how to leverage each strength, both now and in the future. So instead of us saying, that was gritty, let's try something like, wow, it was great how you just finished what you started. That's gritty. Or it can be frustrating when we don't come up with the thesis sentence right away. What did you do to stick with it this time? Again, it's not about using exact words. It's about helping our kids identify the behaviors that are demonstrating and developing their skills and strengths. Behaviors like this.